Here I go again. So making a mess. I am trying something new. Again, I haven't used measurements. I'll just tell you what I used. It's my recipes are more so to encourage you to try some things yourself. So what I have here in my nut juice bag or milk, whatever you call it. Some people get all offended when you say nut milk, which I'm not really concerned with, but any hoodles. This has fenugreek seeds that I blended and some leftover sea moss gel that I had left. I blended my sea moss with aloe vera juice and aloe vera juice, water, and castor oil. I've been having this for a long time, and I don't know if it still have any properties. It's cold pressed. I haven't looked at the expiration date, but I ain't gonna throw it away. So it's kind of hard to squeeze out. I'm gonna use it as a hair mask. I'm sure it could be used as a facial mask or even a body mask. I'm just trying something because that's what I do. Tweakable life curations. We tweak the life around us to create things that are useful to us or to myself and my family. So it's really thick, and I'm straining it because I don't want the pulp from the fenugreek seeds to get in our hair, because I'll be putting in my hair as well as my daughter's hair. They love when I put food in their hair. You know, every time they see me making something, they're like, oh, here she go again, putting something in my hair. But yet they like the way their hair feels, so they tolerate it. So I do the fenugreek tea, I guess is what you call it. I put a scoop, which is probably about 3 tablespoons, and about a half a cup of water with alkaline water. And that's how I do my fenugreek, fenugreek tea, tea. Fenugreek is Fenugreek. Fenugreek, like Greek, Greek. I'll show you a little. My hair has been up in this in a while. But yeah, I have the tea. So what I do is I do the tea. I have it in my room, in my bathroom, and I let it sit overnight. I put a scoop, as I said, which is about 3 tablespoons approximately, and about a half a cup of water. I do not measure it out, of course, surprise, surprise. And sometimes I put honey in there, but since it's upstairs in my bathroom, I decided to just use stevia because I don't want to keep coming downstairs. Once I go upstairs for the day, I usually stay up there, like in the evening. So I am putting this on my hair. I have not taken my hair out of the style, and I don't even remember. It hasn't been like weeks, but okay, let me think. Possibly Saturday, and it's Wednesday. So maybe Friday, Saturday. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. It's been less than a week, but it's been close to a week. So it's been in this style. And I drink the fenugreek, and then I use the pulp to make hair mask. I also use the seeds, and I haven't gotten a sprout yet. I'll do a video when I have sprouts, but it sprouts. And so I'm going to use them as microgreens. I can show you the sprouts that I have. Let me try to get this off my hand first. And I like to concentrate on this area. This area has always been low. I don't expect for it to come in, as they say, your edges, slay your edges. Leave my edges alone. So This is a couple of days worth of fenugreek, and as you can see, a lot of them has sprouted, which is really good. I know there's a lot of different things I could do with this, but I'm going to either do microgreens or make the hair mask. I may find some other recipes and do it, but the last time I tried to make something, my previous video, oh, it tastes so bad. It was just, I think part of it is because I soak it twice. So I do the tea, I drink it one day, and then after I finish drinking it, I put some more water in there, some more stevia in there, and then I drink it at night. So I do the fenugreek in the morning and then do it at night. I do it in the morning before I eat or drink anything else, and I do it at night after. I don't really do it like after I finish eating because I'm a midnight snacker. So that's part one of my fenugreek, and then the part two is making something else. This is the first time I made this. I really like the consistency. I mean, you can see it's so nice and thick. It's not sticky. It's warm because I use my Vitamix. This is the consistency. Oh, that's not very good. So, and as you see, it's going in my hair and it's not making clumpiness. I'm not gonna let it sit here forever, but it's a mess. So I'll probably leave it in for 30 minutes or an hour and then rinse it out. And I use the castor oil for my hair because I haven't done anything in my hair in a while, and I know it needs oil. I am in my mid 40s, and my hair don't do what it used to do, so I gotta give it a little extra love. And I'm gonna be putting in my 8-year-old's hair because she has very thick, beautiful voluminous, a lot of volume in her hair. So hopefully this is helpful or encouraging for you to try something yourself, because most of these recipes I'll get from an idea that I saw and I'll put my own twist, hence tweakable. I tweak it, and sometimes it works out, sometimes it don't. But if you kind of have an idea of what things are, what they do, and their properties, you'll have less failures. So that's what I notice with myself when it comes to food, hair products, beauty products. I've been doing gardening lately. I fix things around the house. I'm a handyman. So that is it. That's the point of this video. Hopefully I said clearly what I use. So if I didn't, let me say it again, because I'm not going to be editing. I'm just not good at it. I've tried to, and that's partially why I don't have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, because the editing is just tedious for me. So in this big, lovely thing, this is probably about, let me see if I can, oh, I have a measuring cup right here. I don't want to make this too long either. That's one thing. It's way longer than I want it to be, but this is kind of on the whim. So this is like about 2 cups. And plus there's plenty in there for my hair and probably even part of my daughter's hair, because like 1/4 of her hair is how much like one is like basically the thickness of my full head. So that's that. Oh yeah, so I was gonna say leftover fenugreek seeds, blended it up, how much did I put in here? I think it was probably about half of this, and I think this is 10 ounces. So this is about, I'd say about a little under a cup of used fenugreek seeds. I use it twice, so soak twice. So I soak 48 hours because I use it 2 days. I put water in there, and then I added my aloe vera juice, and then I added some castor oil. This is the cold pressed kind. I did not measure it. I did put a good amount, so maybe about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the castor oil. And I had some sea moss, and it was probably about this much. So that's probably about a half a, I don't know, about a half a cup of seaweed gel that I actually mixed also with aloe juice. As you know, I'm a fan of the aloe juice. So I did that, blended it all together, and it made more than 2 cups. I'll say about, I don't know, maybe about a cup. And after straining it, I mean, there's not very much left. So I'm happy about that because I don't like to waste. Hence why I'm always making stuff up. But that's that. So hopefully this is helpful to anyone. I'll try to do a follow up of how my hair turned out, how my daughter's hair turned out, because we have different hair types and textures. And obviously, age plays a factor in that as well. So, hope this is helpful to you and happy health.